Sir, in the last video, we covered very clearly, sir, print a statement with the replacement operator. Now, the next one what I have to take, print a statement with the formatted string. Formatted, sometimes you may heard %i, %d, like the people who are coming from Java, C language, C++, like it is a very common. Print a statement with the formatted string, sir. Okay, what I am taking, sir, print with the formatted string. Print with the formatted string, sir. So now here how you can just how you can use what is the syntax with the multiple examples I will take care. Just do you know, in string concept we may discuss in detail, but get the basic idea. Do you know, if I can take %i, you people may aware %i means signed decimal value. Signed decimal value. Decimal value means integer, sir. Integer. Signed decimal value means integer. Similarly, %d also same, sir. Signed decimal value. Signed decimal value. So if it is the int type, you can use either %i or %d. Just aware how to use, I will explain. Next, %f means %f means, do you know, here signed float value or floating point value, sir. Sir, it is the float value. Next, %s means string type. String type, if any other objects internally converted to str type, like this is for normal objects also, string, and even for any other objects, any other objects like list, set, happily we can use this %s. As of now, at the beginning, just as introduction, you should aware these four things, right? What is the first one? Can you please spell out? %i. What it means? Signed decimal value. Next, the second one, %d. Signed decimal value. Next, %f, float value. Next, %s is a string. Any other objects also you can use this %s, sir. Okay, well, sir, what it means? How you can use? What is the advantage of this one? Just I will show, sir. Okay, here my requirement is observe very carefully about this one. Sir, I have first, what is the format? What is the format? First, let me go for a small example. A is equal to 10. A is equal to 10, sir. So next, print of A value is %i. Are you getting what is this one, sir? A value is %i. Format specifier is there. This is the formatted string. Now this %i we have to replace with the what variable value? This is the variable value. Are you getting %a? It is the variable value. So first, what is the syntax? Observe, sir. From this, observe carefully. Print of formatted string. You have to take formatted string, means up to this part. Okay, in this several format specifiers we used, like %i, %d, %s, like now percentage followed by variable list we have to take. That's all. So this is a formatted string. This is the formatted string, sir. Space percentage variable list. Within parentheses we have to take variable list. If only one variable is there, parentheses are not required. Have you observed? This is the thing, sir. Okay, just observe carefully. Here A is equal to 10. I'm taking. Print of A value. Here I'm taking %i, sir. Okay, %i. So formatted string completed. Okay, space %. Now this %i should be replaced with the which variable value? A I'm taking, sir. That's all, sir. Now observe A value %i. This %i should be replaced with the A value. Perfect. it is going to work. Yes, what is the answer, sir? A value is equal to 10 we are going to get. That's all, sir. Sir, now the next terminology, let me go for one more example, sir. Here A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, C is equal to 30 is there, sir. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, C is equal to 30 is there. I want to print A value, B value, C value. Then print off. Here just take a bit special care. A is equal to percentage D. A is equal to percentage D, comma B is equal to percentage D, comma C is equal to percentage D. Okay, sir, that's all. Formatted string completed. Now, sir, percentage, first percentage D replaced with the A value, second percentage D replaced with the B value, third percentage D replaced with the C value, like. That's all. Multiple things. A, this percentage symbol, percentage D will be replaced with the A value. This percentage D replaced with the B value. This percentage D replaced with the C value. I hope it's clear, right? Now let me execute this code. Here, have a look once, sir. A is equal to 10 I am taking, B is equal to 20, C is equal to 30 I am taking, sir. 30 like this. Print off A is equal to percentage D, comma B is equal to percentage D, comma C is equal to percentage D. Okay, like. So up to this formatted string completed. Okay, now I have to replace this format specifier with the what variables? Space, percentage. Okay, multiple variables are there. The first percentage D A, second B, comma C, like we have to take care. Are you getting right? So A is equal to percentage D, B is equal to percentage D, like happily what is the output we are going to get, sir? A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, C is equal to 30, like this, right? Then immediately you may ask the doubt, sir, what is the difference between this formatted string and the replacement operator? Like, yes, there is some difference there, but this formatted string concept is more powerful than string replacement operator. But where is the power? I will explain with an example. First, understand how to use sir, print with the formatted string. Clear for all of you, right? Now let me go for one more example so that you may get much clarity, sir. Here I am taking, yes, name is equal to Durga I am taking, sir. Name is equal to Durga. Next, marks is equal to, sir, 10, 20, 30, 40, like this, right? Sir, can you please tell, first one is what type? String type. Second one is what type? List type. Whether it is the string or list, which format specifier we require to use? Percentage yes. Have you remembered, right? Percentage yes, applicable for the string, applicable for the remaining objects also, no problem at all. Now here print off formatted strings are hello. Okay, here percentage yes. I want to replace with the name. Okay, hello percentage yes. Your marks list is again percentage yes I am taking. Again percentage yes. Sir, this totally the formatted string. How many percentage symbols I am using? Can you please confirm? This is the first percentage symbol. This is the second percentage symbol. Two variables are there. Now space percentage. First one replaced with the name. Second one replaced with the marks. Are you getting? First one replaced with the name, second one replaced with the marks, like this, right? Now hello, first one replaced with the name means Durga. Your marks list 10, 20, 30, 40 perfectly it is going to work. Everyone can aware, sir? Have a look once here. Just observe carefully, sir. Here observe carefully. Here let me go for name is equal to Durga. Name is equal to Durga. marks is equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 I'm taking, sir. That's all. Sir, print of hello name percentage yes, your marks list, your list of marks, again percentage yes, okay, space percentage, okay, name comma marks I have to take, sir. Name comma marks I'm taking. Perfectly it's going to work, don't worry, sir. Here, hello Durga, your list of marks are 10 20 30 40. It's a perfectly working. Everyone in the position to understand, right? So this is the way how you can use formatted string. Maybe in the string concept we may explain in detail some more things, maybe we may cover if it is really required. So this is the thing, sir. Then immediately you people may ask the doubt, sir, replacement operator, formatted string, both the things are working in the same way. Where is the difference? Which is the more powerful? Believe me, formatted string is more powerful than replacement operator. Sir, where is the proof? How you can conclude yes, formatted string is the more powerful? Have a look once, sir. A small example I want to take so that the power you can expect, sir. Here just observe. Just I have price is there. Price value is some 70.56789 is there, sir. Maybe in terms of rupees, in terms of dollars or somewhere, price is equal to like this. I want to print price is equal to so and so. What I'm trying to take? Print of, take very special care. Print of, okay, price value is equal to curly brace open and close. Price value is equal to curly brace open and close. What is this one? Replacement operator dot format of, only one replacement operator is there, okay. Now price value like this we have to take. So it's a simple replacement, sir. Here this curly brace open and close the replacer with the price value, that's all. It can't do any extra activity, just it's going to replace price value, right? But my requirement is boss, after even just observe, even formatted string also can do the same, but in addition to that some extra. First let me go for print of price value. Are you getting? Price value is equal to percentage f I'm taking, and then percentage price value I'm taking, sir. If I execute both, definitely you are going to get the same output. There is no difference at all. That's why you are feeling that replacement operator, formatted string, both are doing the same. Now I will show the difference. First observe, let me execute after this. Here price is equal to some 70.56789 is there, sir. This is about my value. Now print of price value is equal to, okay, replacement operator dot format prices, dot format of price with replacement operator, right? Now the second one, I don't want to use replacement operator. Here percentage f I'm taking, sir, space, sir, here price value, like, just observe. In both cases what the answer we are getting? Perfect. Of course here price is equal 70.56789, like here we are going to get. Now the biggest advantage what we are going to get is, sir, I don't want these many digits after the decimal point. I want only 2 digits after the decimal point. While printing, I want a particular format. After decimal point, only 2 digits are allowed. Can you please confirm? Can I do that by using replacement operator? Sorry man, but the same thing we can do with the formatted string, remember. So I want after decimal point, how many digits you require? Only 2 digits. Now instead of percentage f, you have to take percentage 0.2f. Are you getting? Instead of percentage f, you require to take percentage 0.2f. If you can take like this, after decimal point, only 2 digits it's going to take, sir. Rounded to 2 digits only. Now have a look once. Sir, percentage f here 0.2. Have you observed 0.2 f I'm taking? If I can take 0.2 f, what is the answer, sir? Have you observed 70.57? So this type of customization is possible with the formatted string, sir, but with the replacement operator, no. Replacement operator, simple replacement of, okay, just the variable value, that's all. No extra formatted kind of thing. Sir, sometimes what will happen is, okay, price, after decimal point only 2 digits are allowed. Even more than that also, rounding to only 2 digits. That's my requirement. Or every employee number should compulsory contain exactly 6 digits. Even if provided more than that also, don't consider. Only 6 digits only we required. Employee name compulsory should contain exactly 20 characters only. If the name is not 20 characters, add the spaces. Okay, like such a type of formation. If you want, then better to go for what? Formatted string. Formatted string is also most commonly used thing, sir. So if you want simple replacement, normal replacement operator, sir, while printing, if you want particular format also, better to go for formatted string. Are you getting basic idea? Yes, friends, are you getting basic idea, right? That's all. This is about what are various print statements what we have. If you have all these 7 or 8 print formats, then happily you should be in the position to write the code to use print statement very effectively. Are you getting how to use replace operator, replacement operator, how you can use formatted string, next and after that how you can use SCP attribute, end attribute with variable number of arguments, like all the things are very clear for you. Clear, right?